Michael here. So I'm very excited that you guys win my last giveaway for the 13 pieces iPhone XR, and I have already contacted these winners by my WhatsApp, Skype. They were very excited to get my prizes from my giveaway. Thank you so much for you guys' attention to our channel, to support our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so today we will do a new giveaway for you guys in this new month in May. As I promised to you guys, we will do giveaway every month. So this month in May, we do this new giveaway for 15 pieces Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here. Okay, so I will introduce the price here for this giveaway. Okay, so we got 2 pieces green Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we got 6 pieces white, and also we got 7 pieces black here. For the black Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is T-Mobile version, so I think it's very good for you guys if you like this version. Okay. And for the white and the green, we buy the international version. So is it good? Okay. Okay, so this is the price for this giveaway. 15 pieces Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Wow, amazing. Ready? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I will also tell you guys that this giveaway is international giveaway. No matter where you live, we can ship the prize to you to your address by the international express. So don't worry about your locations, and don't tell anyone about your credit or debit card information, because the shipping is free. Okay. Okay, so I will show you guys the box, the phone, the S10 Plus in this box. It's not just the empty box, and I will show you guys just this green S10 Plus here. And I will unbox it and show you guys the phone, what it looks like. Okay? This is the green S10 Plus. Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's get started to unbox it. I'm so excited to unbox this green S10 Plus, and let's try to find it out. Okay. Okay, so this is 128 GB. All these 15 pieces Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus are made in 128 GB, and some of them are international version and some of them are T-Mobile version. Okay. Okay, let's unbox them first. Wow. I'm so excited to unbox the new S10 Plus. That's a very good feeling, right? I think you guys, when you receive the new phones and unbox it, you must be very happy, right? Me too. Okay. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, guys. Wow. Very tight. Seems a bit tight. Wow. Just wait for a moment. Let me take it out. Okay. I'm sorry. We didn't cut this. Okay, wow, very tight. Okay, wow, guys. So this is the box, and we got use manual here. This is use manual, and inside there is use manual and a pin to take in and take out your SIM card. Okay, and also shows Samsung here, guys. Okay. And here is the S10 Plus. And I will just show you guys. Whoa. Oh, guys, this is S10 Plus. It's green color, and that's also just some accessories, the charging cable, and the earbud, and also we have the charger and the converter for the Type-C converter. Okay. Wow, so nice. And let's just say check this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, this is a green one. Okay. Wow, I really like this design. And let's check it out. Open it, turn it on. Okay, it shows Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus powered by Android, right? Okay, so if you guys, the rules to enter this giveaway is very easy. Just subscribe our channel and leave any comment down below this video, and then you got the chance to win this S10 Plus. Okay, and the winner's results will be announced in our official Twitter account and Facebook account. So I suggest you guys to, okay, because it's set in Chinese, so just help us to set the form. And let's continue to talk about the rules about our giveaway. First, just subscribe our YouTube channel, and then leave any comment down below this video. And then, because all the winners' result is announced in our Twitter and Facebook, so I suggest you guys to follow my Twitter account and Facebook account to check the final results of the winners. Okay, so that's the rules for this giveaway. Okay, so it's just get turned on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. You see, guys, and it's just let's go, because it's very ready to set it up for the first time. Okay. Okay, I don't want to set it up. It's I just show you guys this is a real original Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay. And this is 15 pieces S10 Plus I prepared for you guys for this giveaway. Okay. So this is the price, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here. Okay guys, so this is the giveaway this time. We give you guys 15 pieces Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Here we got 2 pieces green, 6 pieces white, and 7 pieces black. Okay, and this is a green color, like this green color, and this is the white color, and this is the black color. Okay. So I want to talk about my experience for your guys who bought. Thank you so much for about my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel just increased from 6,000 subscribers to now over more than 25,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I much appreciate you guys' activity in my YouTube channel. Okay. So I want to say that everybody has a chance to win. So if you guys want to win this S10 Plus, just enter our giveaway and ask your friends, ask your family members to enter our giveaway, and tell them that we do giveaways every month. So even you didn't win my last giveaway, don't be frustrated. Just keep entering my giveaways, my following giveaways. I think you will win in the end. Okay, that's the giveaway for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Come on and join our giveaway, and you will win this S10 Plus finally. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Peace.